Hey guys, so let's go see my chickens. And yeah, the bouncy house is still here. But yeah. So we have actually got frogs in that piece of the grass and in that one over there. So we need to be careful where we tread. But here are the little baby boys and girls. Boy and girl. Little chickens. Aww. You didn't see, but they just flapped their wings and they were so cute and adorable. Quick! They won't bite, honestly, I promise. So they got this like little swing thing where they can like perch on and it just like blows in the wind things. Come up! If I tap on here, they'll come up. Come on! Good boy! Okay. Hey, Daisy. Bye guys, make sure you subscribe. Hey Daisy. Yes, Dudley.
Don't get subscribed to the chicken. Bark, bark, bark.
So yes, make sure you subscribe. Turn on the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my posted videos.
And if you...
We'll see you in the next video. So bye.
Bye.